Today I have this 2024 Vauxhall Corsa Ultimate. This is the facelift model of the previous model years from around 2019, 2020 till 2023. Starting off with the steering wheel. Heated steering wheel. It's leather. For what the car is, it comes with a pretty decent spec from factory. You have a 10-inch touchscreen. You have heated seats for both the driver and the passenger. You have wireless charging, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You also have these half leather, half Alcantara seats. You have Alcantara door cards. And for the driver's seat, you have massage seats, which massage you on the driver's door card. You can control child locks and rear windows, and also all the windows, and then your mirror adjustments. The multimedia screen in this car is a 10-inch touchscreen. You can connect your phones to the screen, and it also has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way and have it wired. You can make phone calls when your phone is connected to the car. That's your media player, and here you come to your maps, climate control, date and time settings, Hey Vauxhall, which makes the car talk to you.
Didn't get that.
More climate control and more media settings. It has radio. And it also has your standard Bluetooth connection. If you come here, the car comes with the My Vauxhall app. It also comes with some games that you can play while the car is stationary. To lock and unlock all the doors, press this. These are the four-way signals. Down here you have your physical climate control area. You have the main heaters. You have the fan control. You have AC, and then you have heated seats for both the driver and the passenger. On the actual touchscreen, if you press here, you have your climate control settings. This controls with the heaters, focus, the air. This is your low, basically the temperature. And this is fan speed. Over here you have your auto start stop button, your lane assist buttons, and the Wi-Fi button for the inbuilt Wi-Fi in the car. Here you have your gear selectors, so park, which is this button, and then reverse, neutral and drive, which is controlled by this toggle here, and manual mode for the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. When in reverse, you get a reverse camera, a bird's eye view, and then a wider reverse camera. Behind the gear shifter, you have your parking brake, and your drive select. So on this, you have three drive selects. You have sport, you have normal, and you have eco. Now, depending on what mode you're in, the screen actually also changes color as the backing behind the speedo. So this is Eco with the green. In normal mode there is a purple, and in sport it goes red. On the steering wheel you have a button to start the heated steering wheel setting. This is all for your cruise control, and that's your horn. These are for controlling any information that comes up on the screen. That's for your voice control and phone calls, and this is for adjusting the volume. This Corsa has half leather and half Alcantara seats. Alcantara door cards with a gloss black insert there. A grey fascia on the dash with a bit of a shine in it. More gloss black inserts. Chrome inserts around the cup holders and the parking brake and the drive select. And a gloss black insert behind the steering wheel. Up here you have your rear view mirror, and then this shows you where seatbelts are unfastened in the car. These are your lights for the front, so that's on when the doors open currently. That's them off. That's the lights on. Here's your driver's side reading light and your passenger side reading light. Sun visor here pulls up to have a mirror there. Here in the middle you have a armrest which goes forward and backwards and also opens, revealing a storage space. Underneath your climate control you have a USB-C port and a 12-volt plug and your wireless charging pad. Right, so in the back the seats are kind of the same, half leather, half Alcantara. You have your ISOFIX points. One downside about the back of the Corsa is if you're taller like me, it's sometimes uncomfortable. It just depends who your passenger is really in the front. The Corsa Ultimate has a 1.2 turbo engine putting out 130 PS. It drives the wheels with a 8-speed automatic gearbox and is front wheel drive. Right, so on the front of the Corsa Ultimate you have your 17-inch alloy wheels all round. You have your IntelliLux adaptive LED matrix headlights. You have your fog lights down there, along with your gloss black grille, top and bottom, gloss black badge, and your radar down there. There's 3 brake lights, one there, and one up there. Doing a walk around of the car, with this being an Ultimate Edition, you get a gloss black roof, a gloss black badge, and the Corsa lettering now centered instead of being off to the side as it would have been from the previous generation. You have chrome tailpipes down there, rear reflectors, darker tinted rear lights, a darker tinted windows on the rear tailgate and the rear windows. The Corsa Ultimate Standard comes in either brilliant white or red. This colour is called graphic grey. It's a £700 option from factory. In my opinion it reminds me of Audi's Nardo Grey. And it's complemented well by the gloss black roof and gloss black mirrors. On the side mirrors you have blind spot assist, which is there. The Corsa Ultimate has keyless entry. It detects the key as you get closer to the car to open it, and then close the door, walk away, and it locks. It also has that acoustic beep when you lock the car. One quirky feature about the Corsa Ultimate is if the car is locked and you press lock again, it will flash 20 times. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment any cars you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.